reindeer.
You look so cute, Kobe. Let me smell you.
I just got to work, and this is what the mall looks like right now. It is Saturday morning, and it's raining. The raining sent everyone from Disney to the mall. Everything here is full. Mind you, around this time, usually we don't even have this, like half of this many people. I don't know how to speak English. Look at this. The parking lot looks like Black Friday. This is so scary. I want to go home. People who are overstimulated are not in this mall right now. Apparently the only thing to do in Florida when the parks are closed is go to the mall. Let me go get my Starbucks that I placed to order 20 minutes ago. It's ready now. Thank you. Okay, here's my drink. Let me get out of here. Just left church. I look so cute. Look at the heels. High heels on my tippy. Oh, Mike.
Hi,
I got her pet too. She's wearing modest. I am wearing sneak peek into summer. Okay. Sorry. God bless you. Mwah. Bye. Oops. Now we're at Florida Bakery. I look good. I just did my hair.
Vamos pedir salgado pra dividir?
Yeah.
Acho que esse. Acho que é de uma coxinha esse. Eu quero coxinha de carne moída. Vou botar no mesmo negócio, tô precisando.
I was done talking to the camera. I was talking for you. Okay, guys, oh, I should have got my microphone. It's all the way in the car. Okay, whatever. So, we're at Florida Bakery. Delicious place. Very good pricing. These are all the sweet treats.
O que tem aqui? O que é este?
This is corn and cheese.
And what do you have inside? O que tem dentro?
Corn.
Oh, there's no meat, nothing, chicken, nothing?
Just cheese.
Oh, cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna try them?
Esse aqui é... Pode... O que é isso?
You don't have the one with meat inside, no? With made potatoes, the potato one? No?
Sorry. Você tem uma barreira?
No.
Esse aqui é pastel, então.
Okay, just give me one of those.
Just one?
One, yes. And we want some sweets. Oh, tem 1000 folhas diferentes. Não, mas eu vou querer o normal.
Are you sure that that's delicious one?
I think it's too sweet. And can I have the 1000 hojas? The bottom one? For here.
Meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Não sei, parece um pão.
Escolhe um pra mim.
O grande este aqui, tem algo dentro? Este é de abajo. Não, de abajo. Sí.
No, solo tiene el azúcar.
Ah, ok.
El de al lado tiene queso.
Ok, me dê um deste aqui.
Pero de abajo. Guayaba y queso.
Sí.
¿Quieres uno? Para
Sí.
comer acá.
Sí.
A gente vai comer aqui?
Não? Depois a gente leva para sobrar.
Eduardo, ok, yo tengo el perullo, el bizcocho común y el Milo.
Sí.
Serían 9,41.
Muchas gracias. It's the same table we sit last time.
Yeah, that's what I said. You're not taking much spot. You can sit next to me. Why is it kind of hard? We both sit on the couch, Mike.
Yes.
I'm gonna bring my tripod, but it's okay. You don't need to be.
Let's start with the salty one.
Oh, I look
Oh,
so good.
I look so bad. We're gonna put some filter.
That's on you, girl. All right. Who told you to leave the house ugly?
It's uma coxinha, look. Look like a coxinha.
Am I turn to bite it? Girl, stop being so weak. Just bite it.
Oh, there's nothing inside. Look inside.
Okay, she's gonna show you. Mind the camera's up here.
No.
That's the inside. Looks sweet.
The sweet corn. That's good. Not like a coxinha, but what
No!
can we do?
It's
Crunchy.
hot. It's burning my feet.
It's crunchy the outside, but soft the inside. I have a melted
Like a
cheese.
little bit of cheese. Is the cheddar cheese, I think. No, I have this. Oh, it's cold. I don't remember it being cold. Had it cold, didn't she? I don't know. Maybe we asked her to warm it up last time. I don't remember. Okay. First bite. I thought it was just a guava. You want to taste?
Show
Okay.
mine.
Well, I'm ready to
Mine.
taste yours.
Mais 1000 hojas.
I don't think. Mil hojas?
1000 hojas.
In Brazil, we call it mil folhas. Yeah?
Ou folhado.
Well, yeah, but I was saying in comparison to the.
You're gonna
I mean, just bite it, girl.
I don't want to bite it.
People who don't just bite their sweets are lame. Okay, Mike. This whole ASMR for you ain't for you. Mike, break it. Come on, so I can eat it. Go.
Take a bite.
Hurry up.
Come away.
I'm not gonna bite it when you're sweet when you didn't even bite your sweet.
Eu não quero tudo assim.
This is like they kind of have the inside of what's that like inside the donuts, like the cream, the Bavarian cream.
Tá cold also. Give me a bit. I think I'm gonna take and bite it.
Oh yeah, that's definitely Bavarian cream. Oh, girls gone wild. Put that in slow motion.
That's better.
Fine. You want me to bite?
My least favorite part is the cream.
My favorite part is the cream. Thank you.
I like the
I got nothing.
hojas.
It's not. It sounds like she's trying to say a bad word.
1,120 people. This is why I'm moving. My dad's driving.
Guys, I also make chocolate covered strawberries. Okay, guys, we're at Charlie's again. Oh my, what'd you get?
Barbecue wings.
Mine got barbecue wings. Connie, what'd you get? You got barbecue wings as well. And then what did I get? I got barbecue wings as well. We got 2 fries with it. I got my watermelon strawberry lemonade delish. And then Andrew got the same. He got bourbon something. Kentucky bourbon flavor for his food. He's a little mad, guys. Guys, we came thinking This is the new location in our area. We came thinking that... Yeah, they have a Valentine's schedule there. We came thinking that this location would have the 50 and the buy one get one free wings on Sunday as well, but that did not happen. So, oh well.
Who is laid down with you there, brother? He looks so funny. Look at him. He look at your bread and asking, thinking on his head, where's my bread? Let me see his face. Look at him, look at the bread. He always looking for food, always.
He just ate. Well, he ate not that long ago.
Look at one.
He thinks about
Kobe.
licking his lips.
Chega pra trás.
When you subscribe to my channel,
Kobe, where's my bread, people?
see what are the benefits.
Give him a kiss.
You should subscribe. Hey, you're gonna learn more about